Hi, I'm Deanna with the Go Deck, and I believe the ultimate lifestyle hack you can tweak to get better well-being is getting outdoors. More time spent outdoors reduces your stress, it improves your mood, it restores mental clarity, it just helps you connect to yourself, your community, and others around you. The biggest challenge though isn't wanting to get outdoors, it's often how do you make it a habit, something that you can do almost every single day. So here are my 5 ways to make getting outdoors more consistent and easy. Number 1 is reduce decision fatigue. If you have to research where to go every time, you probably won't go. Keep a short list of easy nearby places so the decision is already made. Number 2, make it easy to start. Outdoor time doesn't have to mean a big hike or a half-day trip. Research shows that you can have a huge impact with as little as 20 minutes outside. That's good for you and can completely shift your mood. Number 3, use visual cues. Photos are powerful motivators. When we see a place, we're more likely to imagine ourselves there and actually follow through on doing it. So go ahead, make the beach or the mountains, whatever it is, your wallpaper on your digital devices, and then get outdoors and go. Number 4, pair it with existing routines. Try spending time outdoors after school pickup, maybe before dinner, during your lunch break, or even after dinner, especially in the summer when the days are longer. I love a post-walk dinner to help with digestion. Habits will stick better when they're connected to existing routines. And finally, number 5, let other people choose sometimes. When you empower your kids, your significant other, or friends to choose the activity, they become more invested. And when they choose something, it often turns outdoor time into something that everyone looks forward to. So when it comes to spending time outdoors, remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Small moments outside, repeated over time, can really be impactful for your well-being. More